Hello friends, welcome back. I'm here in Celebration, but we visited our house today and it is almost done. If you are new here, we are building a house close to Disney. We used to live in Celebration, which is where we are right now. We're actually here getting haircuts, but we stopped to check on the house because it is in the final phases. We will be closing in about 3 to 4 weeks. So we wanted to go check it out, see how it was coming along. All the stonework is done. Kind of just the final touches. We hadn't seen it since the floors were put in. We're still waiting for landscaping. So all of that fun stuff is happening, and I can't wait to get back in this area. So I'll be showing you guys more as we get closer to moving and having it finished, but just a little update for you guys. So this is actually Island Village section of Celebration. We actually looked at building here, but it was a little higher than what we wanted to pay, and we didn't want a townhouse. We wanted a single family. So we chose to go down the road just a couple exits to the Auburndale area, which is a beautiful lake town. And so that's where we're building, in Auburndale. But I wanted to share with you Island Village here in Celebration as well. There's a barbershop, Village Barbershop, right across the street where Sean and Jameson get their haircuts. So we're actually stopping and getting haircuts here today and then heading to the parks. So, but yes, if you are ever in the Celebration area, head over to Island Village because it's a beautiful little town. There's a nice little walking trail that goes around the lake here. They're doing all new build homes. If you follow the main road here in to the inner part of Island Village, all new homes are kind of going in that area. But lots of different price ranges. Like I said, a lot of townhomes, and we definitely didn't want, as you can see, there's some townhomes right there. These ones are single family, but they're larger single family. We don't need anything that big. It's just the three of us. So we were kind of looking for something more moderately priced, but still with a single family. And we didn't want a townhome. So, but if you're looking for townhomes or even, single family larger homes, they do have a lot of them here going in Island Village at Celebration. So, and it's beautiful here. I love this area. I really miss being here. We lived in Celebration for a year, and that's kind of the reason why we decided to build close by, because we loved the area so much. I want to mention that they have a lot of apartments here as well. So if you're just looking to rent, they have a lot of rentals. I know a lot of people rent here kind of to get the idea of the layout of the land here. So they have some really nice rentals. We did rent down the street just a bit, not right here in Island Village, but I know these apartments here are really, really nice. I think they're called Colburn apartments, and they kind of line the street and kind of go out in the back area. There is a pool, like a community pool. Whenever you're a resident of Celebration, you get a resident ID card, and you can use the ID card for any of the local pools and amenities. So there is a local pool, or a residence pool, down this road right here. If you go down past the restaurants here, there's a really good restaurant. I'll show you it in just a second. We've eaten here a few times. Tacos Don Andres, Mexican restaurant right here in the corner. But if you go down this road, that is where the pool is. It's just a nice quiet atmosphere here. Love it. This is the same kind of neighborhood area that we'll eventually be going in where we're building. Again, we're in the Lakes region, so we're kind of in the midst. Oh, I gotta show you this. Look at this guy. Look at him. Holy. He is big. Look at him. don't know if it's going to focus on him. Look at him. He's huge. Just sitting there soaking up the sun. He's like, well, I forget there's a special name for them. They're like a really large grasshopper. But anyhow, Auburndale will be having kind of like a little central downtown area that they will be building eventually. It is brand new development. And so they are kind of, when we got in on it, it was like phase 1. And so they don't have a whole lot of the central Main Street structure kind of done yet, but there will be. It will also be a golf cart community with restaurants and shops and stuff in their overall layout. Check out this guy. He's just kind of sitting here sunning one of the local Florida birds, drying his wings off. There is an alligator in here somewhere. I have seen him before. He's a small guy. I'm pretty sure he's still in here. But as I was mentioning prior, Auburndale, where we're building, is in the Lakes District. So we're in between, our development is set in between 4 lakes. And our development is on Lake Mattie. And so we literally have views of Lake Mattie from our front porch. So that's another reason why I really liked the area where we're building. Our specific community has a total of 280 houses that are going in, and we were in phase 1, and so we are kind of right on the main street of phase 1, and I liked that as well because I love decorating for the holidays, and I wanted to be in kind of a central area where we could have decorations for Halloween and Christmas and all the other fun times of year within our community. So just giving you a little kind of walk around the lake here and down the main street so you can see what Island Village is like. But lots of new communities like this kind of popping up in Central Florida. Celebration is one of the closest communities to Disney. You only have about a 5 to 10 minute ride to Disney property from here. We're slightly further away where we are building in Auburndale. We are a few exits down on I-4, so depending on traffic, it's about a 20-minute ride. But still not bad. And you're kind of getting out of that kind of busyness where we are, which is nice. Our town is definitely more laid back, so there's not a whole lot of traffic. As of now, we'll see how that is in the future. But yeah, thought I'd share this with you guys.